friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Aam papad is one thing which is loved by all, be it kids or adults. So today I'm sharing a very simple recipe of making aam papad at home. This is preservative free and is flavored with simply pure mangoes. So let's get started. Firstly, in a kadhai, we'll take mango puree. This is 1 kg mangoes. You simply need to peel the mango and just puree it in a blender jar. Into this, we'll add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can increase the quantity of sugar to 1 cup depending upon the sweetness of the mangoes. Now we need to combine sugar with mango puree and we need to cook it on medium flame until the puree gets thick enough. It will take easily 15 to 20 minutes for puree to thicken up. While the puree is cooking, you can cover the kadhai with a lid. Once the puree gets thick, you will see that the color of the puree will also change. So you can see now the puree has not thickened up yet. It's been 10 minutes now. There is still moisture in the puree. So we need to continue to stir it and cook it till the spatula has little coating of the puree. And now it's been 20 minutes and after that you can see the change in the color. The puree has also started to thicken up and you can do this little test. So this is like we are getting little string in between. That means the puree is now ready. There is no need to further cook it. Into this we'll squeeze in half a lemon juice at this stage. Just mix it well. And now we'll turn off the flame. And now it's time to spread our mango pulp. We have already greased 2 thalis with desi ghee. We'll add just half a portion of the mango pulp and then just gently spread it like this. If the puree is cooked perfectly, then it will easily spread like this. So depending upon the thickness of the aam papad you want, you can choose the size of thali you want. You can even use a plate. And here goes the second portion. So this is my total portion of the aam papad. We are making 2 big thalis. So after spreading, we need to dry it up completely. So you can either keep it in direct sunlight, just cover it with a mesh cloth so that the flies don't stick to it. Otherwise, you can also dry it under fan at room temperature. The whole purpose is that it should dry completely. It will easily take 2 to 3 days for this puree or our aam papad to dry completely. So let's wait till then. So my aam papad has dried up completely. This little thing is because of my little baby who wanted to eat aam papad before it dries up. So let me now cut pieces of the aam papad. You can simply put slits like this depending upon the shape of the aam papad you want. If you are using small plates, then you can simply remove the aam papad, start from the edge and then you will be easily able to remove it from the plate. But I am making these small squares or even you can make small rolls. Now with the help of a spatula, I loosen out one edge and then I will simply pull it over. Just look at this. It is very easy to roll it now. And wow, the aam papad has come out quite well. It's so simple to remove it from the thali and just look at this roll of aam papad which we have made. It's looking so tempting, so nice. I'm sure kids will really love this aam papad roll. So you can make other rolls in the similar manner. Just roll it over. If you have greased the thali well, then it is very easy to remove aam papad. And if you do not want to make rolls like this, then you can even cut aam papad in small pieces. So friends, our delicious, tasty and absolutely pure aam papad is ready to serve. Be it rolls or these squares, you can make it even in block form. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. Do give it a try. It's a very simple recipe. You just need fresh mangoes and sugar and you'll be able to make this pure tasty aam papad at home. I'm sure your family will really like it. My family loves it too. Have a closer look at it. It looks just like the ready-made aam papad which we get from the market. So do give it a try. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.